Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Here in this video I will quickly show everyone on how to convert AutoCAD DWG CAD data into KML using ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. So this is my CAD drawing I want to convert to KML with ArcGIS Pro. So when you have it, you can now close your AutoCAD work environment. Then you come to your ArcGIS work environment, your ArcGIS Pro work environment. You come to the map layer, right click on that, you click on add data to import the AutoCAD DWG data. So I'm just going to scroll down to where my data is, and it is here. You click on your data, then you click on OK to import your data. So this is the CAD drawing in ArcGIS Pro. So you uncheck the layers that you are not interested in. So I want to convert the polygon feature of my drawing. Alright, therefore when you import the AutoCAD drawing, you need to define the projection of your drawing. Alright, so to do that, you come to analysis, come to tools here, then here you type and search for define projection. Alright, so here it is, define projection. Then you click on that. Therefore here it's going to ask you to input your data set or feature class. So you click on this drop arrow, then you scroll down to polygon, which is the data set of interest. You click on that. So the default coordinate system is already reading. However, if you want to define your coordinate system, you click on this globe here, then you search and scroll for the coordinate system of interest. So let's say it's under the projected, it's under the Nigeria grids according to my drawing. So I'm just going to go there to the Nigeria mid belt again. So you click on the projection system of interest, then you click on OK. So it's definitely expected to show you will leave the layer of interest. So what we just did is that we quickly have to define the projection of our CAD data, then convert it to layer. So when you convert it to layer, then you can now convert to KML. Therefore, the CAD data that is converted to layer, you are now going to convert it to KML. Alright, so you come to still tools. This time around, you search for layer to KML. And here it is, layer to KML. You click on that. So under your layer, you click on the drop arrow, then you choose the YT1, what is under your layer. Alright, then the output file, you click on the folder icon, then you note the folder where you are expected to have your data, then you are now expected to rename. So I'm just going to call this converted. Alright, so the full meaning of KML is keyhole markup language zipped. So KML/KMZ. So that's just the full meaning of KML and KMZ. So when you have that done, then you click on save. Then after that, there's nothing much to do, just click on run. So this CAD drawing layer has been converted to KML successfully. So all you have to do is to go to the folder where you have your converted data, and here it is. So you can just automatically open it, and it is going to launch you to where your survey was done. So here it is. at the right spot. So it is polygon. You can choose to make the polygon to be ortho by coming to the properties, come to color. Instead of this area, make it outlined and not filled. Then you can change the polygon to any color of interest. So that's just how to convert AutoCAD DWG data to KML using ArcGIS Pro easily. If you find this video interesting and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on the notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.